salmon. This is America's amazing animal facts. I want to visit here to Plymouth Aquarium, and I'm going to show you some of my favourite animals. I want to show you these little fish. These are called weevil fish. They are native here to the UK, and they have the second most painful sting in the British waters, next to the man o' war. And I've been stung by them twice. Twice! This is a mermaid's penis, but in reality, it's a shark egg. This, as you can see inside the egg, there's a little spotted dog shark. And this guy has been in here for almost 9 months, and so there's a couple of weeks left to hatch.
Isn't it a girl?
Huh?
Isn't it a girl?
I don't know. How old is it?
Wow, look, it's a massive sand tiger shark. Sand tiger sharks are the only shark that can hold air in their tummies to float. Even though some tiger sharks like venison, they only eat fish. This is the biggest tank in the UK, up to 10.5 litres deep and holding up to 2 million litres of water. This is the lab. This is where the marine magic happens. As much as I have. I had a great time here at Plymouth Aquarium, and I thoroughly recommend it. See you in the next video.